Remember, the YouTube ads feed the ducks. Good morning, everybody. It's October 28th, and it's the duck morning rush. And we've got a snowstorm. And actually, the snow is just starting to let up here. It was coming down real hard. And I do not know if the ducks are going to cooperate. They haven't been cooperating the last 3 mornings. Man, that's nasty. Hello, everybody. It's snowing. Come on. Come on out. They didn't eat much food last night. I'm looking here, and there actually is quite a lot of food left over this morning, which is very strange. Come on, Muscovy. Oh, we got a rush here happening. I don't know where they're rushing to. Oh, watch this. Muscovy's going to go back in. Oh, you stupid bird. What are we doing this morning? Anybody got ideas, or? We got some serious meeting going on, I tell you. Okay, we got one male trying to mate with 2 other males saying, we want to hop on top of you. I don't know how long I'm going to last out here. The snow is hitting my camera and it's melting on the equipment. So what are we doing? Oh, the Muscovies are doing a little bit of flying for us here. It looks like the snow was just a temporary thing. We got blue sky coming, the way the clouds are moving. It looks like we've got some blue sky headed towards us. What are we doing? Are we going to the swamp? Oh, look at that female picking on the male. Put him in his place. All right, are we going? Let's go. Come on, everybody. This is the coldest morning yet. It's very uncomfortable standing here. The wind is just cutting right through me. But it does look like we got some, oh, it's way over there, the blue sky. Come on, guys! Come on! Let's do a quick rush. Come on. Why is this so hard in the morning? Come on! Come on! Come on, that's good. Come on, everybody. Oh, that's so good this morning after what you did to me yesterday. Come on. All right, they're coming. Yeah, it's really strange. I don't know, maybe it's the dampness that's making it feel so cold, but there's no ice down here this morning. Oh, looks like we're going to spike that rush again. The water's getting deeper down here, and it's getting out of the water. Oh, we got a Muscovy flying. Oh, you took a little bit of a shortcut there, right? That was cool. Now you guys gonna go hide again today and not respond to me when I come down to the lake? More than likely, huh? We've got the second wave. It's strange that the last 2 mornings they've gone into this multiple wave coming down to the down to the swamp. They're not doing the flock horde mentality anymore. You can certainly tell the way their mannerisms and everything they're doing is changing. As they're getting older here, they're acting different. The more sex they have, the less they listen. Look like teenagers, huh? Oh, that one Muscovy went back in the pen. There she is. Now the wind just gusted and they all came back towards me. They're not going out to the lake. I don't think they like the nasty weather. Because that new place they're hiding over in the neighbor's property. If you guys want to come back home and stay in the yard, I got no problem with that. Man, the maintenance going on now is getting crazy. It's non-stop. The only ones that aren't doing a lot of mating action is the male Muscovy. It's bizarre. They've got no interest in sex. But the peaking and the Rowans are they're banging everything to get their hands on. But the male Muscovies, I think once they turn on, they're going to take over because just the sheer size of them. They're damn near the size of geese. They're massive birds. Look at this, all the Muscovies, just like they should be at the end. Hey guys? Oh, I like you guys. You're so big. Massive birds. Alright, let's go to the dock and see if you're going to head straight over to the spot here. The snow is just coming down. Winter's coming, but it's only October. I'll be glad when November gets here and we get normal weather and it warms up. Whew. Alright, we're heading to the lake. Alright, I'm going to the lake. You gonna let me by? Alright, this is my spot for me to stand. It's the only spot that I can't fall to my ass here in water. Thanks for letting me by. Alright, I'm off to the lake. Okay, I was mistaken. That Muscovy that was at the end of the lineup wasn't the one that went back in the pen. Here it is. Man, you know, they're so easily confused. I don't know why he doesn't just start flapping his wings and go down here, because all of them are so close to flying. Hello, Mr. Muscovy. You were the retard that went back into the pen this morning, huh? They're so laid back. You know, the rest of the ducks, like the peaking and the Rowans, you can't walk by them like that on the trail. They get all freaked out and they turn around. But the Muscovy, they interact so much better with humans. It's actually, it's almost like they just don't give a crap about us. So, actually, there's two ducks just coming into the lake right now. I gotta head over there. Okay, I'm down at the lake. I don't hear any duck action at all. I got a hunch they're going straight into their hiding spot because I don't know if this is turning out in the video or not, but it's snowing like a bugger. You know, it's always like this, eh? Halloween coming, you get that nasty, oh, there's some Muscovy flying. You always get some nasty weather. And then it warms up in November, which I hope it does, because I got a lot of work to do outside, getting ready for these guys for the winter. I've got some big plans. Yeah, they're going straight into their hiding spot. They like it back there in the my neighbor's property. They're not interested in going to the lake. Must be some good feeding back there. Yeah, that's where they're headed. They have no interest in venturing around the lake. None. Look at that. Muscovy's flying. Right to the back. He's not screwing around. He took the shortcut. But they're flying right to the back there. They have no interest in the lake. It's got to be the bad weather, because ever since the bad weather, that's where they like to hide. Alright, well, I'm going to go hide inside, have a coffee, and hopefully, look at this. We've got a blizzard coming. And it's not even supposed to be like this today. It's nasty. Alright, I'm gone. I can't even see the screen. Everything's getting covered in snow. I'm getting covered in snow. Glasses getting covered in snow. It's snowing and it's only October. Oh man, I'm gonna be glad when November gets here and it warms up.